Trade and Grow with Me playlist of Lone Wolf Capital. My name is Sifai, and we'll go through our trading program for this week ending 21st of June. We'll first start with trades that we tend to close ending of this week, that ended 21st of June 2026. After that, we will then commence to trades that are going to be open during when market is about to open this Monday and this early morning of Sunday. So we'll start with the trades we tend to close. So basically, most of the trades we are going to close are from the US stock market, and the first will be DoorDash with the ticker symbol DASH. Okay, for this stock, as you can see from my charts and from my indicators, like I told you, I use 3 major indicators and some other criteria that are needed to determine when to close the trade or when to enter a trade. So for now, I entered a short position for this DoorDash, and it has 2 out of the 3 major indicators are indicating a buy bias signal. So for this, I'm going to close the trade. Well, due to the public holiday in the US market, the Juneteenth public holiday, which I didn't know. Of course, I'm not a citizen, so I couldn't close these trades on Friday as the market was closed. So once the market opens this Monday, around 2:30 Nigerian time, I will be closing this trade, and other trades I also intend to close. So like this particular stock, as of Thursday, closing of Thursday, it closed above the resistance line, which is buy signal, and also for the MACD, it also indicated a buy signal as well. Only that the price is still below the SMA, but with this I closed the trade. I think it also gave me an open position as well. When we are in the trade open segment of the playlist of the video, I will talk about that. So first to be closed is DoorDash with the ticker symbol DASH, and next of course is I think LAC LSC. Since I didn't get away, okay, LSC. So for LAC as well, I entered a long position on this trade, but now the price closed below the support line, and also it closed below the SMA as well as the MACD, signaling a sell bias. So definitely during the market open, I will have to close this position. As you can see clearly, it's going against the price, the direction I traded the market. So that is for LSC. That is Lithium Americas Corporation. And after that, we have a Roblox. Yeah, I think Roblox, I shorted this particular stock. Yes, Roblox with the ticker symbol RBLX. So this, I entered the short. So it's also a profitable trade, of course. It's a profitable trade, as well as that DoorDash. They are profitable trades, but since it has indicated for me to close the trade, I don't get emotional. I simply close the trade. So as you can see, I shorted it right from earlier this year, and it has closed above the resistance range, and also the MACD is also on the buy, and this also gave me a buy signal. So later during the market open, once I close this trade, definitely we'll be talking about the buying section. Then we talk of RCL. I shorted this stock as well. I think that was about some weeks or month ago. So the price has definitely gone against my trade bias, and now virtually all the criteria are signaling buy, but I'll have to close this trade. So I'll close this at a loss, but not a significant loss as well. So that's for RCL. Then we talk of RNG. I think I entered a long position on this particular market. Yeah, I think I entered it in a long position on this market. Sorry for this delay. Okay, for RNG, you can see I entered a buy signal. Actually, the signal was here, but I remember when trying to enter the market already gapped up, so I entered it. But right now, the price has definitely gone against the trend, the initial trend. So that's closed below my support line, which is this green line, and also the MACD has indicated for me to sell. Only the SMA, the price is above the SMA. So as it is, that's statistically, you can see that based on the probability, having two direction against one, definitely it signals me I should close. So once the market open, I close my position on RNG as well. And after that, we have a SYF. I can remember, I think I shorted this. I placed a short position on this stock SYF. The symbol on this, and then close the symbol on this. I shorted this stock, but now the price is going against my initial buy. So as you can see, just like the previous one, I shorted the stock around this area, and now the price has gone above the resistance, and also it's on a buy side of the SMA, and the MACD as well as also is on a buy. So definitely at the open of the market, I will have to close this SYF as well, Synchrony Financial, for the ticker symbol SYF. So that's that. Then for the last stock I have to close, there is a Take Two with the ticker symbol TTWO. Yeah, Take Two. I think I shorted this market as well. I shorted this particular stock. Take Two is a video game developer. I think they're the one that develops Grand Theft Auto. So see where I'm going to close these things and don't. So for Take Two, I'll have to close this trade. You can see the same as well, but for now it did not close above the resistance. What happened is that it closed above the SMA, which is a buy, and the MACD is also buy. So once the market opens, I will have to close this trade and take my loss. Though it's going to be small, but I'm fine with that. Just get out of the market before it gets too late. So those are this I've explained is for the close closing of the trades I have. So we'll now talk about the trades that will have to open. So first of all, we'll talk of DoorDash. I mentioned earlier that I close this trade. I will have to close this trade at market open. So once I close this trade, I also have to enter a buy. I have to take a long trade as well on this. As you can see, the market is on buy, the support resistance signal is on buy. So once market open, I'll buy this with a trading lot of 1.5 volume. And we have roadblocks as well, just like DoorDash. I was shorting this and profitable as well. So as the indicated for me to close this trade and enter a buy signal, I will definitely do this at the market open of today, sorry, since we're already on Monday. Only there's this early morning of Mondays. So that is for roadblocks. Then we have SMG. SMG is Scott Miracle. This is an agricultural company. As you can see, during the US-Iran war, it took a beating due to the uncertainty of the market concerning the war. But now that the fog is getting clear, it is now kind of changing direction. So this also indicated for me to enter a buy signal from this as well. So I'll enter this at market open with a volume size of 5.5 lots. Yeah, so I'll enter this at the opening bell of tomorrow. Then that's for the stocks. And we also have open positions to be made at the early hours of Monday. Within next 6 minutes from my time right now, I will have to enter those trades. So the first is a wheat. About 2 weeks ago, I closed the trade on wheat, and now it's giving me a buy signal based on my criteria and rules. So I will enter this trade within 5 minutes time with a lot size of 0.1. And as well, we also enter trade on soybean. Yeah, soybean. This will be traded with a lot size of 0.15 as well. 0.15, while wheat is 0.1. So soybean, I'll enter this trade as well. The market will open in the next 5 minutes based on my current timing. So I'll enter this with a lot size of 0.15. Then the last trade to enter is this India ETF, because there's a iShares MSCI India ETF. It's kind of giving me an exposure to the Indian market. So for now, based on the capital base I have, I can't go to India to open a brokerage firm. So I kind of use this as a means of giving me exposure to the Indian market. So from these indices as well, it has given me a buy signal. It gave me a buy signal. So once the market opens, I'll have to take a long position for this particular ETF via the brokerage firm and the CFD brokerage firm I'm using. So which I'll enter with a lot size of 16.1. So that's all I have for this week. Trades I have to close and trades I have to enter. So by next week, which will be the closing week of June, I will go more detail into some of my trades that I'm holding and also my portfolio that I have. So for now, this is what I can give, and the only thing is that from my observation, it seems that the market is about to change trend. If you notice, most of the trades I closed were trades that I entered shorts. I placed short positions on that. I predicted that the prices will go down. So now I've been closing the trades, even the ones that didn't pan out. This is an indication for me that the market is trying to change direction. You understand? It's trying to go from bearish to bullish. Though there are still some issues concerning this US-Iran peace deal that are still yet to be ironed out, but the market is kind of looking ahead. As usual, market always prices ahead. Market is always future looking. So that's all I have for this week. If you are also trading, you can as well look at these particular positions I'm about to enter, and if you are interested, you can also open the trades. But mind you, opening a trade, you have to mind your risk management. Risk management for me, you have to consider two factors in your risk management. You have to consider your capital, your portfolio, your capital size. You risk at most 1%, or within that range. You can reach 1% to let you to not risk too much and prevent you from having some negative psychological breakdowns once the trades are open. And also, you also consider the price range you tend to risk. So you understand, you have to incorporate that to your risk management so that you will not be thrown off course. You will not become emotional to leave your trade or to close your trade prematurely. So these are all I have to say for this week, and you guys can keep on improving. And also, don't forget to like and share, and also subscribe to my channel. This helps with the algorithm to show to more viewers. So thank you. Goodbye. See you next week.